Welcome back. We're continuing the news. 60 years ago, Haile Selassie visited Jamaica, and the local Rastafari community is celebrating the milestone this week with their own 4 days of celebration. Our reporter, Dwayne Anderson, joined the celebration and found this report.
The dress code at the Haile Selassie High School looked a little different on Tuesday. Instead of tunics and khakis, red, gold and green dominated. The music, roots reggae, students rocking to the beat. Members of the Rastafari community from as far as Westmoreland and St. James paraded the school grounds. Among them, reggae star Sizzla. It was a celebration of the Diamond Jubilee, 60 years since Haile Selassie, then Emperor of Ethiopia, visited Jamaica.
They don't used to rain fall today. That means that you know so God is here spiritually, and that day, on the 21st of April 1966, that is when God present himself spiritually and in flesh also.
From a Rastafari point of view, and I always celebrate it because it broke down a lot of barriers, bearing in mind that 3 years before His Majesty came, there was a Coral Garden atrocities carried out by the state against Rastafari community, you know. So, and I bear that in memory. For the first time, Rastafari and society people were rubbing shoulder to shoulder. His Majesty did not disacknowledge Rastafari, as a matter of fact, he gave them medal.
This high school, a lasting legacy of his 4-day visit years ago, and a fitting place to meet.
He used his own money to build a school, and we celebrate it today to give the children some more pride that, listen, they have to be proud of an African king who come out of Africa, proud and strong, liberating, to give them a school named after him. Because our youth have always been learning about foreign things, you know, other king of England, Europe, but they must learn about the African king as well.
The world is a much different place for the Rastafari community compared to 1966. The Diamond Jubilee celebration coincides with a major reclassification of their sacramental herb in the USA and Jamaica's own opening up of the medicinal ganja industry to Rastafari groups. Members are pleased with the progress and want more.
And it's supposed to be got to, because yesterday in America was the 4th, and that was a global day of smoking our herb.
I think it's a little bit better now, more than before, because they used to do them very bad. Yeah, man, it's a little better because them step in and help where that is necessary.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.